Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again, and yeah. So, like I brought you for this vocal is Nazisha. Let's see what's going on. You get what I'm saying? And Usimamane has been responding. You get what I'm saying? Because so far, I only see they're the only two active ones in this beef. The rest have gone quiet. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, Lakaba dropped Dililos, I think. Now Usimamane's got Anthem out. I'm not sure what this one is about exactly. But nah, let's check it out and see what's going on, because I'm just seeing different faces of Usimamane. 5 in 1. What is it saying? Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. Because the cover art is kind of crazy. Yeah. Showing like 5. Okay, he's bald, he's got short hair, he's got locks, he's tying them, it's didn't go. I don't know what, okay. Probably stages to something. Let's just play and see what's going on. You get what I'm saying? Let's see what is cooking. Damn, niggas flowing on this shit, bruh. Damn, who they trying to kill? Usimamane podcast. Usimamane. Come on, bro. This is a pop. I'm not gonna lie. Imagine you're performing this, bruh. This will slap. Usimamane podcast. The crowd. Come on, boy. Come on. Okay. I don't think, is this a diss? I'm not sure, but let's just see what's going on.
I was chillin' for a minute, doing nothing. Let's see if I touch his each in the boots. Young, rich, pretty, got fear ring. Titty, titty, like he said he moved. Police will say he brushing food. Where the ops, look, I said they move. I hop on the beat like Cooper steps. My money will talk some good.
Come on.
Funny when they say I cannot rap. Yeah, I'm walking niggas dropping crap. Saying slap, 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 this, that. Niggas rap, look at my step. Fucking sabi, no, I put that on my desk.
Say you niggas can't rap, bruh. You'll say this slam that. They say you're dropping ass. Oh Lord. So basically they're saying he can't rap, he's saying you also can't rap. So like, what are we saying? What's happening, guys? What is this?
So I don't need to step. Daddy, I know you said I'm trying. I got shooters, I don't need to strap. I'm driven home, fishing pivotal can go quiet, but it's still the pinnacle. I touch the pen and song is miracles. I see niggas with the rhyming syllables. I need niggas sucking on their podcast. Going J, I forgot I'm old, that problem. I'm a big orange and I'm chosen.
All these niggas talking at a podcast. Oh God, I forgot I'm a problem. This nigga's flexing on y'all at this point. No fucking bruh. Somebody do something. What is this? Boy? There's no way, bruh. No, bruh. I know. He nigga, guys. I'm the one, bruh. And he's fighting all of you guys. New gen, shabola crap. Yay. Why ain't new gen? Underground. Ushaula capra. Hey, yakwela bonke. Hey, wena. Somebody do something, bruh. What is this? Aye, man. Fuck.
Progress count. Money, run it up. Usimamane trying to kill.
Usimamane. Come on, boy. Usimamane. Nobody catching up.
They talking about me. I'm the real booty. Got a bad bitch with a big booty.
No. He just said I'm the real booty, bruh. Fuck it, boy. La Capra. Niggas taking your whole shit, bruh. It's like I'm the real bully. Uchi bro. No. Uliwe, bruh. Which one were you in Manchester bully? Because I know the other one says you're the bully and whatnot. Ah, fuck it. Oh Lord. Let's go.
I don't buy face, I got plugs all the way from another league. See my game underlay. Shit is hella funny. Why I'm always better than them niggas who are under me. Jimmy see me, boom, soon that's me. It's number 7, you know what I mean?
Come on.
So my PS, I'm good, I get. Niggas, I don't try, they like BT. I'm not a superstar, go down that matrix. I feel like we TV, I get. But then see, I get down, know I'm trim. Tony got his twin, you know that he twin. I did this show and they gave me my bag in cash. Wait. 45 in my jeans. I couldn't get on change. I took a big on these niggas, but if they really ain't big as they
40k my jeans. Lapha kuminya uchinchi. 40k uchinchi kuwe. Iyathale mali inkosi yami. 40,000 uchinchi.
me don't change. I took a big on these niggas, but if they really ain't big as they seem. The hate, the envy is making sense. And why niggas plotting on me? Them niggas ain't shit to me. I get paid to ride on beats. Them niggas got flows, I'm picking out one. They really got one of these. I still on the low skis, son, and they'll still only my royalties. Got a bag, no T's and C's. And reason I got me a legacy. Culture, who see my money, run it up. Who they tryna kill? Who they tryna be? Who they tryna be?
Damn.
Podcast. Yeah, monkey. Only podcast.
Okay.
Yeah, monkey.
Okay. Niggas basically saying, bruh, hey, you guys are only hating because you're trying to be like me, man. Can tell the podcast. Who they talking about? Usimamane. Shit. You see, this is not like it's giving victory lap type vibes. I don't know. Because they're just like, who they trying to be? Oh, see, he's mad chilled with this and I don't like it. You get what I'm saying? It's like he knows what these niggas are not doing. Nah, fuck it, bro. Somebody gotta do something. Where are the kill Brady's? Actually, yeah, I should check that out. Maybe there are some people that kill Brady. Braquelas, come on, no fire. Somebody, come on. Like, bruh. Oh, Lord. Anyway, guys, we out.